how to use Mailchimp. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the Mailchimp website and click sign up for free. Pop in your email, create a username, and set a password. Easy peasy. Check your inbox for their confirmation email. Click that link to activate your account. Boom. You're in. Now, Mailchimp is going to ask for some extra info about your biz. Stuff like your business name and physical address. Yeah, I know. Why my address? It's for spam law compliance. Trust me, it's legit. Got contacts already? Import them using a CSV file or link Mailchimp to tools you're already using. No contacts? No problem. Mailchimp lets you create sign-up forms to collect subscribers right from your website. Easy way to grow that email list. Now for the fun part. On your dashboard, hit that shiny Create button and pick Email. Decide if you want a regular email automation or even an A/B test if you're feeling fancy. Time to choose who gets your email. In the To section, pick your audience. You can get super specific with segments, like targeting new subscribers or your most loyal fans. Make it personal. Here's where the magic happens. Use Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor to design something eye-catching. And for that pro touch, add merge tags. It's like a magic trick. Use something like "name," and suddenly, every email says, "Hey Sarah," or "Hi John." People love that personal touch. Almost there. Add a subject line that screams, "Open me." Double-check everything, then either hit send or schedule it for the perfect time. And just like that, you're a Mailchimp wizard. Want to save time? Set up automated workflows for things like welcome emails or follow-ups. Go to Campaigns, choose Automated Email, and customize it to fit your needs. It's like having an assistant. Without paying them, take it up a notch with integrations. Sync Mailchimp with your social media or e-commerce platforms to create seamless campaigns that reach everywhere your audience hangs out. Once those emails are flying, it's analytics time. Mailchimp shows you open rates, click rates, and all the juicy data you need to tweak and perfect your strategy. Numbers don't lie. And that's it, folks. Follow these steps and you'll go from Mailchimp newbie to email marketing pro in no time. If this helped you out, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense marketing tips. Until next time, happy emailing.